Ensures a reliable through-hull connection. Fits 3/4 inch inside diameter hose. Flange, 1/2 inch. Max hull thickness, 3/4 inch. Made of high-impact white plastic. Quality. Seachoice marine accessories and OEM replacement parts are manufactured to rigorous standards to ensure proper function and first-rate appearance. Selection. From anchors to anodes, Seachoice offers a wide range of products designed to make your experience on the water safer and more enjoyable. Value. Seachoice is operated by boating, fishing, and water sports enthusiasts like you who appreciate quality and selection at an affordable price. Top reviews from the United States. Have a couple of these on hand as spares. I always have a couple of these on hand. I use these on all of my bilge pumps on all of my boats. These are hard to get when you need them as they sell out fast at most marine stores.